Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a WhatsApp button to Facebook Reels. It's really simple and easy. First of all, open up the Facebook application in your mobile and then simply tap on the profile picture in the top right corner. Next, to upload a new reel, tap on the Reels button. Now on your profile, scroll down and tap on this Reel button here. This will open up your gallery where you can select a video you'd like to post. You can also add music, stickers or make other edits to your video. Once you are happy with your video, tap on next in the bottom right corner. From here you will see this option add message button. Just simply tap on it. If you haven't linked your WhatsApp number to Facebook yet, you will be prompted to add and verify it. Once you have selected WhatsApp, tap Done at the top of the screen. Finally, add any extra details to your reel and tap on this Share Now. Once your reel is live, both of you and your followers will see the WhatsApp button, allowing viewers to message you directly with just a tap. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to add a WhatsApp button to Facebook Reels. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.